Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Everyone loves long hair, right? Especially girls. I also love long hair, but it is really difficult to maintain the lengths. In the process of growing long hair, we all face different hair concerns like split ends, unmanageable and damaged hair. But we end up trimming the last 3 centimeters to make our hair look healthy. In today's video, I am going to share a product that is L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens, which is a one-stop solution for all these issues. I'm using this product since a couple of weeks and it is already working its magic. So here is the product, L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens No Haircut Cream. Guys, this product is going to be a game changer for those who want to grow long hair. And also there is no need for unnecessary hair trim visits. It is the first cream that not only manages to help your hair remain damage free but also moisturize your dry ends. So now let's see the benefits of this product. It is a leave-in conditioner. It seals split ends, strengthens hair lengths and tapes. This no cream haircut cream protects your hair from its two main enemies, breakage and split ends. This is the first leave-in conditioner that does more than just gloss and shine to your hair. It also regenerates lengths and tapes and also seals your split ends. So these are the benefits of this product. The packaging of this product is really cute. As you can see, it comes in an orange colored plastic bottle. It is really easy to take the product out. Just pull the cap and you can take the product out. As you can see, this cream is white in color. It has medium thickness. The fragrance of this product is really nice. This cream spreads easily onto your hair. After applying this cream, your hair feels so smooth, shiny and glossy. Now coming to the application of this product, wash your hair with the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens Restoring Shampoo and Detangling Conditioner. This Dream Lens No Haircut Cream works best when used with the range. You can apply this product on wet hair and also on dry hair. This product has 3 power ingredients: vegetal keratin for protecting your hair from harsh treatments and seal damaged tapes, castor oil helps to nourish your hair to help it grow longer, and essential vitamins for strength and restoring hair internally from any breakages. So these ingredients are ultimate saviors for restoring your length and sealing split ends. So guys, these ingredients in this product help you to achieve your dream lengths. This range helps in detangling your hair in one wash and helps you maintain healthy long hair. After using this product, my hair looked healthy, shiny and beautiful. In the first use itself, I noticed a reduced dry ends, split ends, and also my hair is not brittle anymore. So there is no need to cut the hair to maintain the length. Guys, this product is free from parabens and sulfates, which is really a good thing. This product works wonders if you want to grow long hair without cutting the ends. It is a one-stop solution to manage detangled hair and seal split ends. The price of this L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens No Haircut Cream is 499 rupees for 200 ml. I have also given the purchase links in the description box. You guys can check that if you need. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.